You ready to go get some tacos, Gabriela? Get some tacos! So I wasn't originally planning on doing a vlog today, but we decided to go get some tacos. So I decided to make a mini vlog and bring y'all along while we go get some tacos. And you can see one of our most favorite taco stands here in Zacatecas. Believe it or not, it's called Tacos El Güero. Alright, so we're here at Tacos El Güero, and we just ordered some tacos, and now we're going to just waiting for them. We're gonna heat them up, yum yum, and show you what they look like, and I will describe to you how they taste because I'm destructiviosos. Okay, vamos ahora. Muchas gracias por ese día, gracias por ese comida, por favor, gracias por todo lo que haces. Gracias Jesús. Amén. Alright, so we ordered tacos de bistec sin queso. So we put did a little fixins on it, so we'll see how it tastes. Alright, let me describe this to you. If you took heaven and you put it in a tortilla, that's what it tastes like. And of course, no taco is complete without a Coca-Cola. Good stuff. So 10 tacos, a Coke, and a water, $7. Pretty good deal. Well, thank you guys so much for watching our mini missionary Mexico adventures. Our missionary Mexico mini adventures. Yeah, I might make that a segment. That's pretty awesome. Anyway, we'll catch you guys next time right here on the vlog.